Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2017 Dodge Durango GT Blacktop Edition in Redline Red. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, black roof rails, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 35,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, 3-zone automatic temperature control, heated rear seats, power sunroof, third row seating, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5715A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.